Understanding Project Milestones, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that you might come across in the world of project management and business English: project milestones. If you've ever wondered what this term means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's unfold this concept together, ensuring you can not only understand it but also use it confidently in your conversations. Project milestones are significant points within a project's timeline that mark important achievements or a phase of work completion. Think of them as checkpoints or markers that help everyone involved in the project understand how far the project has progressed. Unlike regular tasks, milestones don't represent a block of work. Instead, they signify the achievement of a key piece of the project puzzle. Milestones can include events like the start or end of a crucial project phase, key meetings or decision points, completion of important project components, deadlines for necessary paperwork or approvals. They are essential for several reasons. Tracking progress. They show how the project is moving forward. Motivation. Reaching a milestone can boost the team's morale. Identifying issues. They help in spotting delays or problems early on. Understanding and setting milestones is a critical skill in project management. They serve as a roadmap, guiding the project from conception to completion. Here's why they are indispensable. 1. Planning and scheduling. Milestones help in breaking down the project into manageable chunks, making planning and scheduling more effective. 2. Communication. They provide a clear framework for communicating progress to stakeholders, clients, and team members. 3. Risk management. By identifying key points in the project, milestones allow project managers to assess and mitigate risks more efficiently. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. Project kickoff, the official start of the project. Design approval, when the project's designs are finalized and approved. First prototype completed, the creation of the first working model of the product. 50% completion, halfway through the project, often measured by specific criteria. Final review, the final evaluation before the project or product is completed and delivered. Milestones are more than just dates on a calendar. They are a vital part of managing projects successfully. They help teams stay on track, communicate better, and achieve their goals efficiently. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of project milestones for you and that you can now appreciate their significance in any project's journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and keep progressing on your journey to mastering English.